I flip this car upside down right now, it'll look the same, bro. It'll look the same, bro.
You fucking green light.
I see you, man.
From the same shit, but I ain't vouching for them niggas.
I see you, man. I see you. Woo! I like that, man. That thing cool. On the thing. They got the Acura on some things right there, man. They got the lack with the 30s. Is that Corey and Corey?
Carmen and Corey.
Is that Corey and Corey?
Trumpet in Orlando.
Oh my God. It's a movie, man. Y'all see what's going on? All 30s just sliding though. Show the 30s, show the 30s, show the 30s. Look, I see you, gang.
That be hating. Shooters like McGrady in Kentucky with that fake going crazy. Stick tuck all in my chain, hey.
They got them wheels out here. 3-wheel motion right now. Yes, sir. I see you. Ooh, look at that purple. Coach, pull it up. Coach. My guy is in the house, man. Y'all know you have to pull up, man. We have to pull up Florida style and all that. Oh, white line. White line. Look. Up. Y'all see what's going on, man. We out here in Orlando going up, man. Y'all see what it is. Everything regular, SSG. It's a movie out here, man. I'm telling you. I got a gang in this bitch with me. We on this thing. Wake up. Tell them wake up. Tell them wake up. We out here. We got a gang in this motherfucker, man. I'm telling you, see that thing back there? You see the green thing? You see the torch, man? It's a movie, man. I'm telling you. Y'all see what's going on. Look. They got the joints. Everything out here. Ooh. Y'all see what's going on. Man, I'm in traffic, man. I had to hop out. I see you, man. Hey, I see you, man.
Jackson, but I ain't going here, bitch. From the same shit, but I ain't vouching for them niggas.
I see you, man. I see you. Hold up. I see you. Yeah. Hey, man, where y'all from, man? Where y'all from?
Your local Ashley store has some of the top
Okay,
rated
Florida's in the house.
on sale now.
Florida's in the house. Y'all see what's going on? I see y'all, man. It's a movie. It's for sure a movie, man. What up, man? Y'all see what's going on? Twin in the cut. What's up? I see you. Ooh! That's how you feeling? You put the LS with no hood on that thing?
No, I got I'm missing a lot of shit. Fucking the hood might as well be on the
Bruh, you got a whole turbo hanging out the hood.
out the fender too.
Come on, he said out the fender too. Tell him right though. Hey, what's up? Y'all see what's going on? My guy out here sliding. Ow! With the whole turbo and everything. I see you, man. I see you, man. Man, so what's up, man? You got all them speakers in the back. That shit really loud like that, man. Hey, man, where you from, man?
From Ocala.
Cali, I'm from LA, man. Nice to meet you, bro. For sure, for sure. I like y'all style out here.
Loud Pack Audio.
Loud Pack Audio. For sure, for sure. Everything regular on YouTube, man.
Okay.
For sure, for sure. Y'all be easy, man. I like this stuff. Yeah, that thing clean. That thing clean, man. We out here going up. It's a whole bunch of regular traffic, but we gonna get up here to the good stuff in a minute. Ooh, box. We got a box. Ooh. I see you, man. That motherfucker hard. They got the box in there. They got the box in there. Hold up. Look at this motherfucker right here. I see y'all, man. I see you. That thing cold. Ooh, whole lot of ooh and ah effect on that thing, man. Y'all see what's going on? We out here in Florida, Orlando. It's a movie. It's a movie, man. Yes, sir. Look at the lights on this motherfucker. Y'all see what's going on? That's hard. That's hard right there. Ooh, and that color sick. Let's see. He got them dirty things. I see you, man. Y'all slide though. I see you. Yeah. That motherfucker hard. Y'all see what's going on, man. They cutting up. They cutting up. You cutting up, man. You cutting up. I see you. That thing hard. Look at that. Oh, they got the GLE. Oh, man, they got the money. Look, they got the motherfucking Monte Carlo on the thing. They got the Acura on some things right there, man. I'm telling you, it's moving. It is a movie down here, man. Movie. Look at this motherfucker right here. They got the GLE on them things. That's how you feeling, man? Ooh. On them things, though. 442. All that. Just don't hit me. Just don't hit me, gang. Y'all see what it is, man. We out here going up. I see you, man. I see you, man. Here on them joints. They got the Tesla. They got the Tesla in the cut. The Tesla is in the cut. I'm telling y'all. Whole lot of ooh and ah effect out here, man. A whole lot of ooh and ah effect out here, man. Big lips on the back. Big four-door. Hey! I see you, I see you. Y'all see what's going on, man. See what's going on. He's slapping that thing. Yeah. I gotta dance to this motherfucker.
Shoot like McGrady in Kentucky with that fade going crazy. Stick tuck all in my chain, hey.
Hey, I see y'all, man. He tried to tap on me there. He tried to tap on me though. He tried to tap on me there. Hey, it's up. It's up, man. Y'all see what's going on? They got the lack with the 30s. It's up. Is that Corey and Corey?
Carmen and Corey.
Is that Corey and Corey?
Trumpet in Orlando.
Oh my God. It's a movie, man. Y'all see what's going on? All 30s just flying though. Show them the 30s, show them the 30s, show them the 30s. Look, I see you, gang. It's a movie, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. SSG is in the building, man. It's a movie. Ooh, he's sliding. Ooh, he's sliding. He's sliding for sure. Y'all see what it is, man. Y'all see what it is. SSG is in the building, man. They pulling up real nice. It's Swift. I see you, gang. I see you, gang. SSG shit, man. SSG shit. Yeah, I see you, man. I see you. I see you. They slide. You know all that, man. Yeah. Y'all see what it is. Y'all see what it is. What's up? Got that thing out They got them things out here today, man. They got them things. Golly, look at this one right here. He's nice. Ooh! I like this right here. This whole.
Ooh, why they hit you, nigga, when that hurt? Why you go so hard? Why they put my head all on the shirt? I'm riding on 26 plus 4, free the turf. He just come 30, that shit, I made me go berserk. Plus 9, I hit the beat with a jab. I'm different between me and you, I put up in a jab. Feel it hit you like a rap beater for that cat. They say cool, that living good, but I always hit you bad. I bought so hard, I don't live out, but my cat's on. I don't so much, I'm in the booth with my mask on. Ooh, I'm riding in the cool, I'm the truth, I'm ready running. I'm like just in the high by you. You should get on the track.
They got them whips out here.
slip, polish up the box. Say the crack, go to flash.
Yeah, girl. Y'all see what it is, man. It's a whole lot going on out here, man. He got the Mustang with about 6 TVs in his joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 TVs in his joint. Crazy. Let's see what's going on, man.
Hey, the Kodak on the beat, I got that bass on. Hey, boy, I draw that shit that they be waiting for. I like the beat on, but I'm about to go cop a rainbow. I don't do your true color, boy, you a rainbow. I got space to them.
Ain't right here, though.
I'm really into money, and I leave no auto-tune. Yeah, I'm shit with you. Gotta watch my back. Straight on, no, I don't want to. Shawty got that bitch, she got that vibrant. She know I love that hair, I love that migraine.
They're hard.
This shit for the family, bro. Hey, shout out my boy Juice Dennis. You already know the fuck going on, boy. These drop on the drop, nigga.
All that.
All that.
Y'all see what it is, man. Orlando Classic, Florida. It's a movie, man. I'm gonna tune back in with y'all when it's not no copyright, though. Top 5 in this motherfucker, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. My guys up in here, man. Yeah, we outside today. We outside today, man. Real top 5, man. He hitting switches. I see you, man. I see you hitting switches, man. You know, I'm from LA for real. So that's like my style for real, for real. Hey. Yes, sir. Come on. You good? Got that thing on the back of that thing. This the thing, though. I like this, man. They got all the oohs and the ahs on this joint.
Regular, what's up, boy?
What up, man? How you doing? Good seeing you, man.
Yes, sir.
For sure. All the oohs and the ahs on this joint, man. I like that. Man, I see you came through cutting up last night, man. I know you ain't gonna tell me what motor you got up in this thing.
I just got pulled over.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, I just got pulled
For
over.
cutting up? Oh my God. I missed it.
For what? They were finna tow my car on, bro.
He was cutting up.
Yeah,
Hey, look at this thing. Yeah.
right my wrongs, but I can still write time to get exposed.
Yeah. Woo! He got that ZL1 lid on that thing, though.
Well,
Yeah. I see how he coming. ZL1 supercharger. And the old school, though. Yeah.
you come on, you done fell in love with the palm trees.
I got a tatted on me, boy. The palm tree tatted on me, man.
Boy, and the beaches, boy. The car wheel.
That thing nice.
I did everything, boy. Rain, everything, bro. Billy Shots up there. Hey, if I flip this car upside down right now, it'll look the same, bro. It'll look the same, bro. Right now, it'll look the same.
That motherfucker good.
Hey, we can respect what respect do around here.
Nah, for real.
Man, this motherfucker is pressing. All you need no bag on this bitch.
Like, he got that motherfucker right. It's nice for sure. Top 5 that pulled up, man. We out here going up. We got all the oohs and the ahs out here. All of the oohs and ahs, gang. A whole lot of it. A whole lot of it, gang. We sitting on 3-wheel motion right now. 3-wheel motion right now. 3-wheel motion, man. Yes, sir.
Drake and they underestimate. Take it from a vet, that's a rookie ass mistake.
They got that thing out here, man.
This bitch got past the kid, I'm like, who let her
Don't let that broke bitch in, cause shit too messy. Who the fuck Everybody knows for that shit, God bless him. I dropped the
Yes, sir, I see you. Ooh, look at that purple. That thing clean as pop. Sir. That color is hard. I like that. Oh, look at this. We got the green lights up in this thing. Like that. Sagging too, that's the show. Movie out Everywhere it's turned up at, man.
Sunday, like I've been drinking a buffet.
Coach, pull it up. Coach, what up, man? How you doing? My guy is in the house, man. Y'all know you have to pull up, man. We have to pull up Florida style and all that. I can't wait to taste it, man. It's a movie.
We're gonna go on right now.
For sure. Say less, man. It's a movie. I'm gonna move out y'all way. We out here going up, you know? A boxing truck. It's a movie. Y'all see what's going on, man.
You're gonna hit the hole.
Look, babe. Yeah, look. I'm dying. This thing juiced up.
I didn't even see the leak to this shit.
I got you.
Hey,